Hello people! Oh, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Alright. So, what's the plan for today? So I got the drone, got all my gear there. I'm missing a head. And then the next thing is totally going to go freediving, and the goal today is to take photos with the Sony, okay, which is right here. Sony, here. Taking the pole spear just in case I see some lionfish. Gonna put the wetsuit top on just not to sunburn and feel a little bit warmer. After a while it gets a little bit, you know, cold, even though we're in the Caribbean here. And then compare the footage from the Sony. I have an 85mm lens on it, and also take the GoPro Hero 7 for a spin and put it in the dome. So I found this epic spot with like huge of boulders and everything just around the corner this way, and I'm going to take a comparison. Just what I do is take you, so I'm gonna put the Hero 7 on my head and then shoot around with the Sony, and then swap a bit with the Hero 7 and just take the dome. Compare the photos. Obviously it's like 2 dimensions. One is wide, one is narrow, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. And let's have a look. I'm trying to find some mini fishes, go for like more close-ups and macro, and hopefully see some turtles. Get all of this wet. It's easier to... Stop slapping me, mate. Time for a G-string. Yeah. There we go. Sitting right. Comfortable AF. Let's go. Just gonna adjust everything. Shoot. My setup.
Give me something new. I want it back, through and through. Just do it. I'll let you. You like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to 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 you. Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Music and the little things. Without you, don't mean a thing. My pride is being too good for you.
So I went with the Sony. Didn't see what I wanted to see, but I guess that's how it is. Now I'm gonna try to take the dome and the GoPro and try to take some shots of the same spot, even though of course I was just doing like very close-ups with the Sony. And I'm thinking maybe later in the afternoon I'll go with the wide angle. See what I can get, but let's just jump in, putting the dome on right now, getting back into the water. Super excited because I think with the dome it's just going to be different. Okay, GoPro Hero 7 Black, Amazon Basics, guys. Okay, hood on. Oh, it's rough out there, guys. It's totally rough out there. Put this bad boy on. Camera mode. Nope. Photo. Or maybe. Showcase the fact that like an 85mm camera or the GoPro perform very well in the water, even though it's, I know some people are gonna be like, oh, you're using a prime lens 85 to shoot underwater. Yeah, the thing is, some photos look nice like that, and if you get like the different ground slash, you know, other objects swimming around, let's say turtle close-ups to get the detail of it, it's pretty amazing. Because I feel sometimes with the GoPro, when you get an animal or something underwater, it seems very far away, so you can never really get the detail of it. So that's why I take my 85mm with me and try to just really get the details of the fish, of the turtle, of the shark. It's awesome when you actually get to see something. Unlucky right now, but then this is where the GoPro comes in with the dome. Like, you just get to see the whole structure, and you get to, you know, do the selfie thing and swim around, and yeah, just you guys will see for yourself. I'll put the photos in as well, and follow me on my Instagram. Going for another dive. Got the 24mm lens on the Sony now. Heading to the next dive spot right over there, straight ahead. Hope it's going to be fun. Yeah! How epic is this? Okay, everybody, just finished the video. I forgot to completely talk in the end and you know, wish everybody the best, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. I had an epic amount of fun making this. I hope you like the shots. If you want to see more photos and videos like this, please just subscribe. So yeah, hit me up on Instagram. I'll put the link down below, and hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.